Hey, what is up guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bigin by Zoho CRM. Now, today we're diving into a tool that's designed to help small businesses manage sales without getting lost in complicated CRMs. And of course, it's called Bigin by Zoho CRM. If you've ever felt that managing leads, tracking deals, or following up with customers is just too much work, then this one is for you. And by the end of this video, you'll see how Bigin can simplify your sales and other business processes. And so what exactly is Bigin? Bigin is a simple pipeline-based CRM tool made by Zoho, which is the same company behind Zoho CRM and a whole suite of other business apps. Now, Bigin is built for small teams. That includes startups, freelancers, agencies, or really anyone who wants a clean, easy way to track deals and manage customer relationships without paying for features that they don't use. Now, it's already helping over 30,000 small businesses worldwide to help streamline their sales, communication, and growth. And also think of it as a perfect middle ground between spreadsheets and enterprise level CRMs when you're considering different options when it comes to what you're looking at. As you can see here, 30,000 plus customers are already utilizing Zoho CRM. Now we're going to be taking a quick tour of Bigin, which is the Bigin by Zoho CRM. And we're going to be taking a look at the main modules and see how everything comes together. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into Bigin by Zoho CRM. So taking a look here is a demo account. We're going to be taking a look at the different pipelines and options that you have within Bigin's main modules. Now on the left-hand side, as you can see, you'll find all the modules neatly organized, and these modules are completely customizable. And that includes pipelines, contacts, companies, activities, products, so you can customize them again, dashboards, and messages. So you have activities. The products here in this case is travel plans, as that is the customized product in this case, but it's also activities, dashboard, and messages. Now, starting with pipelines, as that's what we already have open, this is the heart of Bigin. It's where you manage all of your deals, visually organized in stages, as you would traditionally expect from any other kind of CRM tool. You can drag and drop deals between stages as they progress. So say for example, we want to move this one here. You click there, you move it here, it's going to move the booking. We move it back over here. We're going to move it from quotation sent to awaiting confirmation. Basically, however you want to customize these and set the stages, you can quickly, easily move them along the stages as you see fit and as they are going to want to be moved, right, across different stages that you have, right? Now, by doing this, again, within these pipelines, this is where you can visually organize them, right? You can drag and drop the deals as they progress, which does give you a clear, instant view of what's happening in your sales funnel and other business processes from a bird's eye view and from a top level. So you can see where everything's at in each of these different stages. Next we have is contacts. Now contacts, this is where you're going to see all of your customers and leads are stored. Now each contact record shows their details, interactions, and notes, and each related deal, so you can get a full picture of the whole relationship that you have. Now, within that, of course, you have all your contacts, right? Pretty straightforward. You have all the information that you want to tie to the different contacts. Next, you also have is companies. Now, companies is ideal if you sell B2B, right? This is if you're business to business, and you can link multiple contacts to the same company and view all the deals associated with that single company in order to stay organized. And you can break them down by industry as well as the different contacts and who you have for each of these different companies. Again, this is really good for B2B. And then next we also have is products. Now, this is currently in the demo form, is going to be shown as travel plans, as that is customized. And inside the products section, you're able to manage your catalog, add pricing plans, and quickly associate travel plans or products, with contacts to make the quoting easier. So because this is sort of an example here, maybe with some luxury vacations, ski trips, snow festival, all these different types of getaways. That's what we have these labeled as different types of travel packages inside this example sample business here. So you can see Swiss Alps Adventure, and then the pricing that goes along with that, as well as the description, travel plan, code, anything you want to add. Again, this is all completely customizable. You can easily add fields and organize it and add it to the different travel plan owner and however you want to manage your products. And then next we also have is activities. So activities, you can track your calls, tasks, and meetings, and everything that helps you stay on top of your daily work inside the activities section. Next we have is dashboards, which this is where you're going to see more of that bird's eye view and provide quick insights into your team's performance. This includes from deal trends and conversion rates to individual activity stats. As you can see inside this, again, this is customizable. You can easily see, where the new requests are at, different, monetary values, what's in progress, all those kind of things can all be listed here, top users and all of that. And then lastly, we have is messages. Now, messages is the module where all your WhatsApp conversations are centralized. If you have it through WhatsApp, that's where you're going to have those chats centralized here, which is a pretty internationally friendly app and communication tool that you can link with Bigin, as it's connected with WhatsApp for Bigin, right? You can easily send and receive WhatsApp messages directly from Bigin and reply in real time, and it's a simple way to stay connected with customers on WhatsApp without switching apps. Now, going into a little bit deeper into the pipeline view, this is the core of Bigin, essentially, is your pipeline view, right? Now, each pipeline is fully customizable, but there is a time saver here, so you can easily switch between pipelines. This is the flight booking pipeline. We also have the hotel booking pipeline, so it is just for this travel company as the sample data here. Essentially, so whether you're in real estate or consulting support, essentially Bigin comes with pre-designed templates for each different team and industry. So again, like I said, real estate, consulting, support, or other field, or travel in this case, then you can choose a template that fits your workflow and just tweak it to match your business. Now, every deal card here shows essential info like a contact name. So in this case, it would be like Kevin McDonald. And then this essentially, you have their contact name, deal amount, and close date that you have set, right? So the name, deal amount, close date that you have set. And then by clicking on a deal, let's go with this hotel stay here. This is supposed to be for Sydney. Then everything comes up with everything you need, such as their contact details, email, calls, notes, and activities, all inside this clean layout. You can even collect and manage your payments right from Bigin, which is pretty nice as well. You can send mail, and again, the collect payment option is going to be right here. And then essentially it's a fast, visual, and easy to use, especially if you're switching from spreadsheets. Now, taking a look at how Bigin connects to the other tools that you use, all you have to do is come up here to settings, and then we're going to click on toppings, and this is the integration section, right? So what are the different tools and connections that you have with Bigin? So right on top, as you can see here, you'll see QuickBooks, which is one of the recently added integrations. This syncs with your invoicing. So your invoicing, your payments, and financial data directly within your Bigin deals. So when a deal is closed, you can even send out and track your invoices without leaving Bigin directly through their Intuit QuickBooks connection. All you have to do is install it and link it to your eligible QuickBooks account. Next, you also have other built-in integrations for communication, marketing, productivity tools, essentially all designed to keep your business connected. Again, these are maybe a lot of the popular tools that you're already familiar with using, or maybe if you are in the Zoho ecosystem, or maybe if you're not, you can also sign up for a lot of these are additional free tools that you can set up and connect with your Zoho Bigin CRM. So you can set up emails, projects, signing, books, and invoice, as well as other email marketing tools that you can use in addition to really bolster your overall business tech stack. In addition to that, you'll also see the marketplace tab here, where you can also see different marketplace integrations where you can connect Bigin with apps like Shopify. So Shopify for Bigin is one of the other apps you can streamline your sales processes with. And with Shopify, your e-commerce orders and customer data sync goes straight to Bigin, so you can follow up, cross-sell, or track repeat customers without leaving your CRM. And then also the best part here is you can also create toppings. That's what they call is like their additional add-ons, so you can start building your own toppings and install niche features to extend Bigin's native capabilities. Now, this is more if you're on the developer side of things. So this does come with, if you want to, you can even build your own toppings using Zoho's developer tools. So if there's an integration that you need that doesn't exist yet, you can create it easily. In this case. So now let's go ahead and take a look at what else you can find inside Bigin settings, which is again where you can truly make Bigin your own, is going to be inside the settings tool. So you have user controls. That's essentially a lot of different options, right? You can customize fields, manage users. So you have the fields customizations. You can go in here. You also have users, and you configure how your business works inside the CRM. Additionally, you'll find forms, which lets you capture leads directly from your website or landing pages and send them straight to Bigin so that every inquiry becomes a trackable record automatically. If we want to see kind of like what that form looks like, essentially this is just a template here. You can see what it looks like, just how can we help you. You have your name, customer, email, phone number, describe the issue. So you can easily create these forms, which will automatically then go ahead and quickly create that inside Bigin so that your data is then automatically added there. So you can easily do that here and create additional contacts, again, automatically added there. And right below that, then there is also automation, is another feature that you can utilize, and where you can set up simple workflows, reminders, or actions that trigger automatically when something happens. For example, you can send a welcome email when a new lead is added, or assign a task to your teammate when a deal moves to the next stage. It is pretty simple to set up and a real time saver for growing teams. Now, talking about what is coming next on the horizon for Bigin by Zoho CRM, and what is coming next is AI in Bigin, and that is powered by Zia Agents. So Zia Agents are Bigin's upcoming smart assistants designed to help small businesses save time and work smarter. They'll assist you in managing your sales more efficiently by automating routine tasks, analyzing customer interactions, and offering intelligent suggestions to improve conversions. Now, AI in Bigin is, again, designed to help make your CRM not just a tool that you use, but a teammate that works with you, essentially, right? So again, all of this works seamlessly on the Bigin mobile app as well, which is available on iOS and Android. You can add all these deals and information here also within the Bigin app. This is again on the App Store and Google Play Store. Again, all the features we talked about here in today's video are all available on their mobile app. So you can see the deals, closed won, negotiation, what's the pipelines looking like, the different stage summary. This is like on an iPad. If you're on an iPad, or maybe if you're on an iPhone or Samsung device, so you can do it on iOS or Android. Just showing you what that looks like on iPad, as well as making calls on an iPhone or Samsung or Android device. And you can get those push notifications directly, so you can get those notifications on user activity so that you don't miss anything. And you can easily put locking and privacy features such as Face ID and an extensive list of different languages. So they do also come with global languages, so you can make sure everything is in the language of your choice as well within the Bigin app. Again, all this works seamlessly here. So you can add deals, make calls, send WhatsApp messages, and a lot more on the go. It's light, fast, and perfect for small teams who are always moving. So essentially that is Bigin by Zoho CRM. It's a simple, powerful CRM that helps small businesses manage those customer-facing operations without all the clutter. If you're looking for an easy way to organize your leads, follow up with your customers, and grow your business, then Bigin is definitely worth trying, and you can start for free or explore their paid plans that begin at just $7. You can check out the link in the video description to learn more or sign up for a free trial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video here today. Again, if you guys found this video useful, helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thank you to Bigin by Zoho CRM for bringing this video to the channel. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.